This is the digital alarm clock with wireless charging. This digital clock is dimmable for the perfect lighting based on your preference, and it comes with 5 level of brightness settings and 10 lighting modes, and this clock can also serve as a mirror. Customize your night mode by turning dim according to your setting. The default night mode period is between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. This is designed with progressive alarms that is gradually increasingly loud and fast to wake you up gently, and this clock is available in 12 or 24-hour format. This sleek and stylish digital alarm clock with wireless charging effortlessly charges your phone with a simple placement. This compact size is very easy to disassemble, and this can be as a bedroom decor and can also serve as a travel alarm clock. This is a digital alarm clock.